Hold on to your hat, we're not in Kansas. Yep, that's leaking, as you can see.
Ah, yes. That's how mine was.
How do I adjust this?
That's with this rod. That looks like it's... Yeah, that's... those extractors are extremely well designed.
There's 560.
Okay.
And that's the standard 6.9.
Yeah, right. Okay, so it's just a...
That's the adapter for the LS throttle, which is I'll get it to work one day. 560.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Chassis 1873.
Yeah.
Interestingly, it's got kilometre hour, but it's got imperial on the oil and temperature gauge.
Yeah. They might have changed the face there. They often did that.
She's a 1977.
Yeah.
She's been in Australia
Okay, so
since
it's the same year
77.
as mine, mate. Well, actually, mine's 76.
She was bought by
Yeah.
by Terry, the
Okay.
guy who owned the big resort and everything down.
Yeah,
It's got an X-pipe underneath too.
Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty good.